Alright, I tried to make some video. I've done got too cold. Don't have any heavy gear on or nothing, but went riding around, so I'll have some videos posted up here pretty soon. But this is the KRX. Did good, went riding around today. Built up a little bit of snow. Look at this thing. It's crazy, and guess what? We're in Pensacola, Florida. This is insane. My house here, my mom's 85 T-Bird. Got the neighbors out. We'll make a little quick trip, one last one. Before I go put it up. All right, boys and girls, that's our day in Florida. Just out enjoying it some. A little more picture of everything. I'm gonna go in and try to upload some videos for y'all. Oh man, what fun. Look how thick that is on my roof. I mean, it's staying too. All right, later.